What's up, Sour Slices? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have another package from Brick Republic. Now, this package actually, they sent me, I don't know what's actually inside of it, because they asked to do like a surprise package, where basically I just don't know what it is, but they told me it is Star Wars themed, and I do like the Star Wars movies, so I think that is going to be a pretty cool topic for today's video. But yeah, let me tell you guys about Brick Republic before I actually start this video. Brick Republic are the #1 reseller for Brick Arms products. Brick Arms make awesome Lego guns, helmets, and vests, and they're all compatible with Lego minifigures. Don't believe me? Take a look right here. We have this little zombie minifigure right here, and we have this helmet that I got on their website. Look at that. Fits on perfectly, just like an actual real Lego helmet. Brick Republic have lots of products to choose from and lots of weapons packs to save money on. Speaking of money, they ship free. Yes, free. If you spend 30 US or 39 Canadian dollars, you can get free shipping. So let's say you're buying $25 worth of guns, and let's say your shipping is going to cost you $5. How about add $5 worth of guns and get free shipping? So you get $30 of value rather than $25 of value and $5 for shipping. They ship worldwide, so no matter where you live, you can get these products. So if you live up here in Canada, which is actually where they're located, so pretty cool. Or if you live in America or let's say England, you can still get these products. And you can use the code SOURSLICE at checkout to save 10% off your order of any kind. So basically, if you're ordering worth $10 of stuff or $50 of stuff, you can use the code and you can always save 10%, which is pretty cool. So yeah, why not use our awesome code and get yourself some stuff at Brick Republic. Check out the link in the description. I hope you order something. Okay guys, but actually onto the video now. Let's open up this package and take a look inside. So what I think I'm going to do for this is I'm going to just, instead of dumping it all out, I'm going to reach into the package, grab one thing, and then we're going to see what it is. So let's just go ahead and, here we go. Okay, so this is their... This is just a few blasters. Let me actually open this up. So here's the free weapon that they always send you. Now, no matter what you order, they will send you a free weapon as a thank you. And it says free weapon, but they always give you... Is that a Glock? That's pretty cool. It's a green Glock and a blue Halo gun, I'm pretty sure. So that's pretty cool. I'll put that over here at the back. But these are the actual Star Wars guns. Now, I don't really know the names of these Star Wars guns, but so... I'll just sort of be calling them long, like, rifles and pistols. Right here is a pistol. It looks pretty cool, as you can see, just like that. And over here are actually some pretty awesome looking guns. This one's cool. It's long. It's got a scope, and it's got this thing at the bottom. Maybe it's like a flamethrower. I'm not that sure about it, but I'll put that over here. This one, which sort of looks like the last one, but it's got like a thing here at the bottom and like a spike there. Pretty cool looking. This looks like the Mandalorian's rifle that he has in the show. It might not be. I might be wrong. It might just be like some Stormtrooper sniper gun. But yeah, this is pretty cool. And these all fit into Lego minifigures' hands. As you can see. Just give me a second. There you go. As you can see, they all fit perfectly into their hands. But let's go down to the next thing inside this bag. So, oh, this is a custom figure. Let's take a look at this. I've got to like put the whole thing together. Okay, let's see. They gave me 3 hands. Kind of cool. I think that's as far as the hand goes. And the other hand. Yeah, I think that's as far as those hands go in. And then we put the arms on. Huh. So this is a red Stormtrooper with armor that actually sticks out. That's pretty cool. And a helmet. There we go. And he has this huge rifle. Look at this thing. This looks like it should be mounted on the top of a tank, not in some minifigure's arms. Look how huge that is. It's taller than him. It's so heavy his hand can't hold it. But this is pretty cool, actually. I don't know what it is in Star Wars, but this is enormous. Like, look at this. This takes up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little pieces. So it's so big that you can't actually even fit it inside of one of these crates that you can get at Brick Arms. But yeah, I still think it's pretty cool looking. It probably is maybe meant to be mounted on a vehicle. Maybe that's what this is for. This little thing. You can probably mount it onto something. But that's a cool figure. I do like it. I'll put that at the back. And I'll put the stuff he came with. Up next is another figure. That's, ooh, this is nice looking. This is Boba Fett. Let's just tear that open. Again, with the 3 hands. Maybe they just send you an extra hand in case you lose one of them or if one of them breaks. So let's put him together. Very nice. And you would think that since this isn't like an official Lego figure, these are actually pretty well done, like pretty nice quality. They don't feel like a lot of those fake Lego minifigures that you can get. Like this, the arms are nice. They're not like loose or anything. So I do like this. And I do like Boba Fett from the movies, so he's pretty cool. Let me just put his cape on. I don't really know how to put on a Lego cape, but here's his head. And then we put on his helmet. Just like that. And we can put on his little antenna. Hold on. Whoops. We're going to put on the little antenna. There we go. And he has this blaster rifle that he can hold like that. Another pretty cool minifigure from them. Looks a lot like a Lego figure, like an actual one. Very cool. Nice printing. Actually shiny gold on the legs. I like that. Let's put that back there. Oh man, another minifigure. Let's open this up. Let's take a look. So this one looks like a normal Stormtrooper. So let me just put them together. So arms, hands, body armor, his head, and his helmet. So he's pretty cool. He's one of those old Stormtroopers before The Force Awakens. Pretty cool looking, as you see. His armor sticks out. That's what I like about these. Like whether like unlike the Lego figures, that's what I was thinking of saying. Their armor actually sticks out instead of just being printed on the torso. And it actually is printed on the torso underneath this. So it's a pretty cool figure. I'll put that at the back. Here's their card. Very nice design on it. I will, I guess, put it at the back with my other card. In here we have another bag full of guns. Blaster Weapons Pack V2. That's pretty cool. It's a cool design on it too. I think I want to save this for last. Yes, there is another thing inside this bag. It's another minifigure. These guys, they're so cool. Let's take a look at this. This one is a Stormtrooper with blue stripe down him. So let's see what he looks like. 3 hands again. I'm thinking that most of these figures come with 3 hands just as an extra. Ow, that kind of hurt. He has no printing on his face and his helmet. And he has this regular blaster. Okay, so he's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and put him at the back there. Along with the rest of the stuff. And I think... Alright, so this is the last thing that we got out of that bag. So I will go ahead and pour these. And we'll actually take a look at what we got. Very nice. So in here you can see scopes can be attached with super glue. Brick arms are designed and produced in the US and are compatible with most building toy systems. So these fit on actual Legos and fake Legos too. Blasters. So I'm going to be using this to sort of read in case, because I don't know what these weapons are. We have a magazine here. What is this for? We'll figure that out later. So I'll take a look at this first. This is the Ee3 Blaster Rifle. It's got like a little stock at the end and a scope. It looks more like a pistol. Actually, it looks like a hold on a second. It looks a lot like a pistol that I have. This looks a lot like my Brick Arms Peacemaker revolver. This isn't Star Wars, but this is the Star Wars one. These look, that's cool. Star Wars version of this revolver. So I'll put that at the back. We also have this. This is the A295. That's pretty cool. Looks like a normal gun, like a real life gun, but I guess it's Star Wars, so that one's got a scope and a magazine. I didn't think the Star Wars guns had magazines. I never really see them with magazines in the movies or anything. But it's got this nice skeleton stock and what looks like a suppressor on the end of the barrel. Very cool. Right here we have a, hold on, I'm trying to find it on the list. SE14R. This looks like a little pistol with a magazine and a long scope on it. So this is probably like a compact sniper rifle in the Star Wars world or something like that. Very cool though. It's got a charging handle and everything. This little silver thing is called the NN14. It's just like a little pistol. It's got like this sort of, I don't really know what to call this around the middle, but it's got also this like muzzle extension thing at the end. And overall, it still looks pretty cool. Right here, we also have another one of those sniper rifles, but this one is called the A280C. So it looks a lot like the A295 from the back, but this one doesn't have a magazine and it's a little bit shorter. and I still think it's pretty cool looking. Very nice. Right here, this is probably what the magazine that I found goes into. So, supposed to be like a stand or something. Oh no, it's a Star Wars gun, not a real gun. There you go. The magazine sticks into the side. Maybe it sticks into the other side. There we go. Okay, so it sticks inside the gun just like that. Very cool looking. This gun is called the E11D, the E11D. Very cool. It's got the magazine sticking out the side like a trench gun. And if my camera would focus on it, come on. Focus on the gun. Okay. It's pretty cool. Compact. Maybe it's like an assault rifle in the Star Wars world. Maybe what Stormtroopers use. Right here we have, this looks like Han Solo's pistol. It's called the DL44. It's probably Han Solo's pistol. It looks like it. And it's got a scope, and it looks like a Luger, but with a scope on it. Like, take a look at that. Doesn't it look like a Luger? The German World War II pistols. I don't know. Here is the DLT-20A. This is pretty cool. It's another one of those long rifles. I don't know what, this thing is. It probably attaches to something that I just don't know. What is this? This, you probably have to attach something to it too. Oh wait, is this for the... Oh, okay, I see. This goes on top of this. Just like that. These probably all attach to the tops of these. This mounts up here, just like that. There's probably another one that I have to attach to one of these guns. Right here. This attaches up top. Okay, that looks probably what it's supposed to be like. I don't know what this is. Let's see. It goes on the bolt caster. This is the bolt caster. So I think it goes in here. Oh, this is Chewbacca's crossbow. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this. It's right there, but I don't know how to build it. I think it's built though. Right here is I don't think this gets attached. I think this is just some. This looks like a Mosin. A Mosin with a big can at the end. Pretty cool though. This attaches to something. It attaches to this. There, okay, so that looks like that. It's like this big rifle. Oh, and there's another one because they sent two. Okay, that looks like it makes a little more sense because it's actually a sniper rifle. So I'll put that at the back. This looks like those, I feel like I've seen these in the movies. This kind of gun. It's what the Stormtroopers have, I'm pretty sure. It is called the DH-17. It's a pretty cool gun. I showed these two pretty much. Here's the bolt caster, as you saw. This thing right here is the DC-155, as you can see. And the last gun we have here is called the DC-15. There you go. So that was a pretty cool package, guys. Tell me what you think of it in the comments, if there is comments. Be sure to leave a like on this video if you liked it. If you're new here, subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Check out Brick Republic.